Dear learner, in this video I am going to discuss about LAMP technology. In this video I am going to discuss about what is the LAMP and its different aspect, specifically its different layer, its working environment and the security or the security system for LAMP and its disadvantage, advantage and disadvantage, and finally the conclusion. A software stack, is a set of software tools bundled together which includes everything needed to support an application. LAMP is a software stack. LAMP is a web application development and deployment platform. LAMP refers to Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. So it is nothing but one abbreviation, that is the first one L for Linux, A for Apache, M for MySQL and P for PHP. Linux is an open source operating system. Apache is a web server, MySQL is a relational database and PHP is a general purpose scripting language. PHP sometimes interchangeably with Perl or Python. LAMP platform consists of four components. The components are structured in a layered way. Linux operating system is the base layer. Apache, the web server, resides on top of operating system. MySQL database stores all the information served by the web server. PHP is used to manipulate and display information for that particular purpose. LAMP is an example of free or open source software commonly known as FLOSS. What is the different layers in LAMP? First thing is the Linux. Linux is a Unix-like operating system which manages interaction between computers, hardware and software. It is free and open source software. It runs on a number of hardware platforms. Very interesting. And it provides the operating system in LAMP stack and lowest level layer in LAMP in the LAMP stack is actually the Linux. And it runs each of the other components. It provides the complete LAMP setup through use of packages. Apache, the second layer is Apache, the web server. Apache is based on NCSA, National Center for Supercomputing Application, web server. NCSA web server. Developed and maintained by these things. The Apache is developed and maintained by Apache Software Foundation. And most widely used web server software is actually the Apache. It serves web pages over the internet via HTTP protocol. Provides everything from server-side programming support to authentication mechanism. And it supports, very interesting, it supports virtual hosting. What is MySQL? The MySQL provides the data storage side of the LAMP system. And MySQL is a relational database system. In earlier classes, I have also discussed about what is the relational database or the database management system, DBMS. So, MySQL is a relational database system. It stores data from a single character to a large graphical file. It handles a large databases in the area of 50 crore plus record and multiple storage engine is there. Very interesting, multiple storage engine is there and no memory leaks. Very important aspect of no memory leaks and a privilege and the password system, very secure, a privilege and the password system which is very flexible and secure and often coupled with PHP because they work together with ease. What is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a server-side HTML embedded scripting language used in server-side scripting, command line scripting, and writing desktop applications. PHP is simple, interpreted, fast, open source, platform independent, powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. So PHP is very simple, interpreted, fast, open source platform independent, powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. It is for glue for all the other parts of the LAMP system also. It has support for a wide range of databases. This is the working environment. In this working environment, how actually the lamp is works uh, with the internet, with the end user, the customer. That the customer is there, there is botnet is there, the robotic part is there, and in the internet. So how it is interact with this? There is an open web cache is there, Squid, Polyfo, and traffic server, for example, and web server Apache, a Cherokee, a light TPD, Nginx is another thing, and CGI scripting language, the uh, Perl, PHP, Python, and database MariaDB or MySQL also used. Linux kernel is very robust thing to interact all these things with the software and hardware thing. CPU and RAM, actually the networking hardware, and the storage system is there, SATA, RAID configuration, etc. And when request is comes from the customer side to the to the LAMP technology, so it responses also very promptly. It's actually responses through the through all this technology, using these kinds of technology. It's a very much important. Although there are lots of things, crackers are there, or attack maybe possible, hackers are there, so they can try to try to uh, try to create some nuisance in your system. So there is a very important aspect is security aspect is there. So very secure thing is actually the LAMP technology is very much secure. Apache Web Server with Mode PHP and MySQL Server is presumably presentation of a standard Linux machine. Web browser act as client and browser enable user to places the HTTP request through the valid URL. Apache API listen to the port 80 for HTTP request. Apache API sends the request and receive the responses from the PHP component. The PHP component actually sits inside the Apache, and you use Apache and PHP together to create your dynamic pages. Mod PHP means PHP as an Apache module. It allows Apache to interpret PHP files, and Mod PHP parses PHP scripts. SQL query statement interpreted and are sent to the MySQL server for execution and receive the results said as responses. MySQL utilizes a client-server architecture. Mod PHP returns the final HTML to Apache API. Finally, the Apache API returns the generated HTML to the users as response. This is the workflow. Now the securing LAMP. While LAMP security is essential, it is very much important. Being the number one deployed web server, LAMP is a popular target of attacks. Result of attacks is highly visible. Sites can contain valuable information to attackers, especially the e-commerce website. Many routes of attack through modularized operating environment is there. Securing the Linux installation, choosing a Linux distribution commonly known as Linux distro. I have heard distros which release major versions constantly, and Common distro for LAMP server are Ubuntu Server and the Red Hat Linux. Kernel hardening, another important thing, use GR security. What is GR security? GR security is an extensive security enhancement to the Linux kernel that defends against a wide range of security threats, to sandbox processes, to the kernel role-based access control, RBAC system, etc. Mandatory access control, MAC, is another important thing, and it restricts system processes as to the appropriate user. And standard firewalling practices is also an important thing for the security purpose. Securing the Apache installation, securing of the Apache web server or component is arguably the most important. Disable any unnecessary mods via the configuration file. There is also another file, httpd.config, and restrict access to the root directory. Restrict system level files contained in the bin and config directories, and disable the sending of Apache version information in request headers, and keep and monitor access logs using Apache module like mod security and the mod evasive. So in that way you can secure the Apache your web server. Securing PHP and MySQL installation. Securing relies on both the administrator and the programmer. Administrator must secure the update extension, sandboxing remote resource accesses, and limit execution time, restrict access to remote MySQL access by IP, protect data system and log files under an administrative user. Use a strong username and password. This is also very much useful for the security. What is the advantage of LAMP? The LAMP technology is open source and highly secure. LAMP stack is constantly updated, can run on many platforms, giving flexibility of use, scalable, customizable, and cost effective. Readily available or of open source libraries, reducing coding time and cost also. Seamless integration with Linux, Apache, and MySQL, and maximizes e-commerce revenues, and minimizes e-business disruption and causes by the IT outages. So it's very much important and very much advantageous. And it is automated availability monitoring is there, and failover recovery also there, and failback of all LAM application and resources. Data can reside on shared SCSI, fiber channel, and network attached storage devices, etc. Intuitive web in a server web interface providing LAMP data, and the simple administration is there, and easily adapted to sites running Oracle, DB2, and the PostgreSQL. What is the limitation? Not well suited for the application that have a frequent need for exchanging large amount of transient data. And web server like TTPD or engines perform better than the Apache in handling massive volume of the traffic. In the concluding part, I am going to conclude that open source continues to play an important role in driving web technology. LAN is the very much important in the killer app of open source world. Compatibility issues and price of development are major factor in the web design. LAN is effective and capable for business application operations. LAN is the best solution to complete with commercial products also. Thank you all.